Router. A router connects your entire network to the internet. It reads the destination address of every data packet and decides where it should go, either to another device in your network or out to the internet. Also, the router assigns local IP addresses to all your devices using DHCP. So when your phone or laptop connects to Wi-Fi, the router automatically gives each one a unique address so they can communicate. Switch. A switch connects multiple devices within the same local network using Ethernet cables. Unlike older hubs that broadcast data to every port, switches are smarter. They learn which device is connected to which port by reading MAC addresses and then send data directly to the correct destination. So if your computer sends a file to your printer, the switch makes sure only the printer receives that data. Modem. The modem connects you to your internet service provider. The name stands for modulator demodulator, and that's exactly what it does. It modulates digital data from your devices into analog signals that can travel through cable, DSL, or fiber lines, and then demodulates incoming signals back into digital data. So without a modem, your router wouldn't have any internet connection to distribute. WAP. WAP stands for Wireless Access Point, and it broadcasts Wi-Fi signals so devices can connect wirelessly. Most home routers have a built-in WAP, but in larger spaces like offices or warehouses, you need multiple separate WAPs for full coverage. Each WAP connects to the wired network through an Ethernet cable and creates a wireless zone around it. Firewall. A firewall monitors all network traffic and blocks anything that looks suspicious or dangerous. It uses predefined rules to decide what's allowed in and out of your network. For example, it might block incoming connections from unknown IP addresses or prevent certain programs from accessing the internet. Firewalls can be hardware devices that sit between your modem and router or software programs installed on computers. NIC. NIC stands for Network Interface Card, and every device needs one to connect to a network. It translates data from your computer into signals that can travel across network cables or through the air as Wi-Fi. Desktop computers usually have Ethernet NICs built into the motherboard, while laptops often have both Ethernet and wireless NICs. Extender. A network extender picks up your existing Wi-Fi signal and rebroadcasts it to areas your router can't reach. So if you have dead zones in your home, an extender can solve that problem. However, extenders do reduce overall speed since they have to receive and retransmit the signal. Load balancer. A load balancer distributes incoming network traffic across multiple servers to prevent any single server from getting overwhelmed. So when thousands of people visit a website simultaneously, the load balancer sends each request to whichever server has available capacity. This keeps websites running fast and prevents crashes during traffic spikes. Bye nerds! Watch this video next, and subscribe or I will cry.